Hi.
Christina, she's dorky.
Okay. I need to not do
But
that.
me and Mira were serious women.
Very serious.
And responsible. Christina,
And they're single too.
she has many boyfriends, Christina.
Yeah, they're single.
Very in demand these days, this type of woman. Buff, hardworking, cook.
She makes cookies. Cookies. Yeah, for carolers. Marina's sick, so nobody touch her. I'm just kidding. I had to make
She
her
quit
extra
smoking.
cookies.
I won't
She
be
quit
sick
smoking.
alone for long.
Yeah.
You're bad.
She needs a guy to bring her chicken noodle soup to bed. Because she already got a ring, but she needs,
She needs
God,
more
I got
commitment.
two. Should I choose the one who gave the left one or the right one? I don't know
which one? It's a hard decision. It's really hard.
They both sparkle so much. Gosh.
You know, which one's more expensive?
Jeez, they didn't give me receipts, Christina. No.
Darn it. It's okay. No. Oh, yeah, you can sell it. Like,
Should I go
Like
for the
her.
shy buff one or the loud skinny one?
the loud, skinny one.
Really?
Yeah.
Skinny. Because if
Shy
I
guys-
sit on him, it's the end of it, you know?
Yeah, but you're not that fast, so, I mean, you're
I
not
think
fat.
Actually, those cookies you fed me today really are sticking out right here.
Stole them. Just kidding. Bye.